Hello to all you beautiful people. My name is Smriti and you're watching Drama Diva. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. This is going to be a very nice, beautiful evening look. So without wasting any further time, I think we should just start the video. So first I'm going to prep my skin, and for that I'll start off with the serum. So here I'm using M Caffeine Green Tea Serum. I'm going to take few drops on my hand, just about like 3-4 drops. And then I'm gonna spread it all over my face. So after your serum comes your primer. So here I'm using Smashbox Mineral Based Primer. This primer is really good for oily to combination skin. So I have combination skin, so this works really well for me. So I'm gonna spray a little bit on my face. And then here I'm using this sponge. This is damp sponge. I'll just dab it and mix it well. And you have to let the primer completely dry on your skin for the application of the foundation. So done with the primer. So here comes your foundation. Here I'm using MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is in shade NC30, and this goes really well with my complexion. I have wheatish sort of complexion, so NC30 works really well for me. So I'll take a little bit product on my hand. So this much of foundation. I'm using my fingertips to spread it all over my face. And again the sponge. So this is a damp sponge, so you can just put it in the running water and squeeze off excess water from it, and because it helps in the application of the foundation very well. Alright, so we are done with the blending of the foundation. So next to your foundation is your concealer. So here I'm using Fit Me Concealer. This is in shade beige. So I'm gonna use it under my eye. So usually we get dark circles every morning, or a little bit here and there there's pigmentation or some marks. So under your eye. Then I'm gonna highlight my nose. So in the middle of my nose. And a little bit on my forehead, and again the magic sponge. Alright, so I think we have done justice to our concealer. So next to that I'm going to use Faces Canada loose powder to put everything in place. So this much of product should be okay for my face. So this much. Okay, so after this I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So here I'm using Woom Eyebrow palette, and I've got these 3 shades. So your eyebrow color has to always match with your hair color. So I have black hair color, so color of my hair is black, so here I'm using this shade. Okay, so we're done with the eyebrows, and after this I'm gonna use highlighter. So here I'm using MAC highlighter. This is in shade golden, and I'm gonna use a brush, this pointed brush. So I'll take a little bit of product, and then I'll just draw a line here. And just to define my brows, I'm gonna use a little bit of highlighter below my brows. A little bit on your forehead. And you can just blend it with your fingertips. Alright, so we're done with the highlighter. After that, I'm gonna define the shape of my face. So here I'm using this palette. This is Too Faced Natural Palette, and I'm gonna use this shade, which is Sunny Honey. I'll take the product in the brush, and then I'll remove the excess of the product from the brush. Just do it a little bit on your forehead. A little bit on your nose. Okay, so after that I'm gonna do my blush. So for blush, I'm using this Pink Sand. This is a very neutral shade. So I'll go with the Pink Sand. Again, I'm using my fingertips because I'm very comfortable with it. If you're comfortable with the brush, you can use the blush brush, or you can go with your fingertips. So smile. Okay, so done with the blush, and I'm gonna do a little bit pink on my nose. For some reason, I like my nose to be a little shiny, a little pinky. I just love this. Okay, so we're done with the blush. Alright, so now I will do my eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, here I am using this palette. This is Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. So they have got nice glittery lovely shades. So today here I will be using Ultraviolet, this shade, because it goes with my top. So I'll go with this shade. So either you can use brush or you can use your fingertips. I'll go with the brush right now. So this is very glittery. So we're done with this. So usually I'm not a liner person, but today I'm gonna apply liner. So this is L'Oreal Paris. This is L'Oreal Paris Kajal. So I'm not good with the liquid liner, so I'll go with this Kajal, and I'm just gonna draw a line. So just a line. Yeah, so done with the liner. So for the kajal, I'm not gonna put this black kajal. Instead of that, I'll do it little dramatic. I'll apply this. This is very nice, beautiful color bar nude shades. They have got nice, beautiful colors. So I'm gonna pick this brown color and I'll put below my eyelid. On my eyelid, I'll just do this. So I'm using this brush, this pointed brush. I'll take a little bit of shadow, and then I'll just do my Okay, so done with the kajal, and now my best and the favorite part. So here I'm using mascara. This is Maybelline. This is Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. So whether I'm with makeup on, without makeup, anytime I'm always with my mascara on. So I'll do my mascara. I'll do it on the upper lash and lower lash both. Alright, so done with the mascara. Now I'm gonna do my lipstick. So for lipstick, here I'm using, this is MAC mini lipstick, and this is in shade Rebel. Bright and vibrant, very beautiful for the evening looks. Extremely beautiful for the evening look. You can just go for this color. You can also use lip liner to define your lips, but I'm quite comfortable without drawing a line for my lips. So this is it. And now towards the end, what are we gonna do? So we're done with the makeup. So here I'm using this makeup fixer. This is Faces Canada makeup fixer. So you're gonna spray it little, just spray it from little far. So and let it dry. So meanwhile, what we're gonna do, we're going for the party, is it? So I'll just wear my earring. And for the hair, what are we going to do? I have this nice matching clip with me. So just a minute. Maybe I'll just put it here. And also I've got a nice beautiful scrunchie, lot of glitter in it. So maybe why not tie your hair a little bit. Nice messy bun with this beautiful clip. So I hope you have liked this video and you've enjoyed the video. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to give you nice amazing videos on makeup or skincare, anything. I'll see what else I can do. So thank you so much for your time. Okay, bye.